but I don't have an answer. How come I'm still thinking let's pretend to fall asleep now? When we get old, will we regret this? Too young to think about all that shit. And stalling only goes so far when you've got a head start. Cause we could stay at home or watch the sunset, but I can't help from asking, are you bored yet? And if you're feeling lonely, you should tell me before this ends up as another memory. Will you tell the truth so I don't have to lie? Will you tell the truth so I don't have to lie? But I can't help from asking, are you bored yet? And if you're feeling lonely, you should tell me before this ends up as another memory. Will you tell the truth so I don't have to lie? Will you tell the truth so I don't have to lie? I got to get a job. Your teeth have chewed me to the card. I'm sure somehow I'll make my pay. Just give me 5 to lay my head. I don't wanna go darling, I got a whole lot of reasons to be home at the moment. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna, I don't wanna go, I don't wanna. It's time to be a working man, getting off this if I can. I'll work 100 shifts a week, won't rest these eyes